Welcome back to House of Manners, everybody. It's still very cold here. It's cold, but it's okay. Still had time to come out in the garage and warm myself up with a pipe. Beautiful Chacombe nougat. And I'm smoking little Celum's Black. I believe that's an English aromatic. And it's pretty tasty. It's very tasty. It's a couple years old. I mean, age on any tobacco pretty much makes it better, I believe. Most cases. I know there's probably a few out there, probably not the case, but that's usually the case in most cases. What are we talking about today? I want to talk about small changes you can make to reach your goals. As you know, I'm on this journey to become a modern day gentleman. And I have things I want to change about myself. I don't feel like going to buy nice clothes or to go buy nice accessories when I don't feel that I'm in a place to do that physically. I started this journey at 310 pounds. If you've been keeping up, I'm down 18 pounds. I've got a long way to go, but I'm trying to make micro changes so that when the day comes to go buy clothes and accessories and feel good and more confident, I've got certain habits in place that will help me elevate myself. One of the things I started doing was just moving more. Stopped sitting down so much, started getting off the couch and going for walks and stretching. Nothing dramatic, nothing crazy, but doing something that I wasn't doing before. I also changed my diet. Now, I'm not a dietitian. I'm not here to tell you to change your diet. You need to talk to your doctor before you do that, but I decided to go with the low carb keto type diet, and I think that's really helped in my weight loss. So it's something that I'm doing to help me become the person that I want to be, a more refined version of myself. I want to work on my mind, and so finding something to stimulate you. For example, for me, it's this channel, it's this brand I'm building. I want this to become the #1 modern day gentleman channel in the world. That's my goal. But I got to start at the basement. I got to start at the bottom. And I got to work on it. I've got to work on my editing and filming and how to do this whole thing. And it's stimulating my mind, and I'm enjoying it very, very much. I also want to elevate my spirit. And so I've been daily in the Bible every single day. I've always been a Bible reader, but I have to admit it's never been daily. A couple times a week maybe, or when I think about it. But I've made it an effort to now make it part of my daily routine every single day. And that's what's important, is finding small changes so that you can become the version of yourself you always want to be. Maybe your things are different. Maybe you're thinking, I've always wanted to learn a foreign language. Okay, what are you doing today to take steps to do that? Go get one of these software programs and just spend 15 minutes a day learning French, learning Spanish, learning something you always wanted to learn. Maybe it's a hobby. Maybe you always want to make pipes. Okay, well, start somewhere. Go find a cheap lathe off of eBay or Facebook Marketplace and start learning to make them. Even if they're horrible, who cares? Just start somewhere. You have to start somewhere. You don't have to change the world overnight. And that's the thing, is the best habits we have, the best things that make us successful, it's the little bitty things we do every day that help make us successful. I'm doing it, and if I can do it, I know you can do it. I know you can. So what is it that you're trying to change about you? For me, is I want to be more refined. I want to have a better lifestyle of how I look, how I feel, how I dress. I want to bring back some old schoolness to myself and wear nicer clothes and feel more confident. And I'm doing that by starting at the basement, the bottom level. And that is trying to work my way up. And that is, I have to get my mind, my body, and my spirit in line before I could even think about doing those things. What is it that you want to work on? I would love to know. Put it in the comments below. Join our community. Hit subscribe. I need everybody hitting that subscribe button so we can grow this community. I want to hear all the stories. I want to hear all the people that are becoming successful down the road as they make changes in their life. We are doing this together. And it doesn't matter what it is. It may be losing weight. It may be learning a foreign language. It may be you want to take a class. Maybe you never went and got your degree. Maybe you want to go get a degree. Whatever it is, start today. And your first step is hitting that subscribe button. Join us in this community. I'm Robert with House of Manners. We'll see you next time.